Hello, hi everyone. So today we are going to study that how JavaScript code is executed. Previously, we have studied that how JavaScript works. Now we will see that how JavaScript code is executed by the JavaScript engine. Whenever we run a JavaScript program, there are a lot of things happen behind the scene inside the JavaScript engine. Okay, so uh, so when we run a JavaScript program, execution context is created. As we already know, execution context is created, and execution context is like a big box in which it has two phases. One is the memory phase, and second is code execution phase. So in this video, we are going to see only first phase, which is a memory creation phase. So this is our program. So when we run this code, okay, when we run this code, what will happen? A global execution context is created. Hmm, is yeah. So a global execution context is created, and it has two components which we have already told. I have told this many times: memory creation phase and code execution phase. So in the first phase of memory creation, JavaScript JavaScript with uh, allocates memory to all the variables and functions present in this global execution. Uh, so if this is like this is a global execution context, and this is a memory creation, and this is the code execution phase. And as uh, what what JavaScript engine will do, it will go to the uh, one line by line, and start picking all the variables and functions from the code. It will take the variable, and it will allocate a memory and here, and then it will go to the next line. Here it is a function, so it will grab all the whole function. This is a very literally he picks all the uh, full function and allocates memory to the in the memory component. So it will again go down, and it will uh, take up take this p4 and p2 also, and give memory to them in a memory allocation phase, and they all values get a special uh, these all variables get a special value which is called undefined. We will uh, talk this uh, later what is undefined. So what we can do is it stores a special value which is known as undefined, yeah. And in this case of function, it will store. So what um, let's see one thing. If uh, let me raise all the drawings. Yeah, so this is the so if we run this program, and I will console here the 4 console here, and let me comment this. Yeah, there is no issue. So if I will console here too, so as you can see, there is already 4. But what happen if I initialize it after the consoling. So what do you think what will happen? It will again show us undefined, but it is not showing that n is not available. Means n is not present here. Like if I will comment this also, as you can see, and n is not defined. But why? Because due to the this memory allocation phase, in which all the code is JavaScript engine goes to all the variables and give them location and gives them a special value called undefined. So this is the memory allocation phase, and in the next video we are going to see the second phase, which is the code execution phase, how it works. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.